Thrust hard. 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Oh, what do you feel? What do you feel? You feel the wind. Remember, the wind is pushing against your plane. So you need more of a thrust. 1, 2, 3. Williams went a nice way. Good, William. Thrust. 1, 2, 3. Good. One more time. Let me see those planes. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, those were nice. One, 2, 3. One more time. My plane didn't go anywhere, did it? 1, 2. Get your plane, Paris. 3. So we have the planes that you've made. I need my first set of students up front. The others should be standing back. On your mark, get set, go. Ooh. Timmy's went a long ways. Let's try it again. Same group. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, Timmy got a good airplane.